Everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing very well. So let's go ahead and continue our journey to build this lovely application. So what we have in the last lesson, we have something like this. Yes, I have added more products like this. So I go to product seeders and just add more products. Of course, feel free to add more and change some name, images, blah blah blah. Then after you change this, there is a command php artisan db fresh and seed. What this command does is clear all the tables and drop the database and create the migration from the beginning. So if you have any data, you will lose them. Then seed, it will run the seed basically, so it will feed all the database by data. You never ever run fresh in the real database because you will lose all the data that you have. So but in development stages, yes, it makes sense that we need to change stuff in here. We don't need to create a new migration. Never ever do this in the production. You will lose all the data fresh. Okay, then what should we do is clear. Okay, and yes, in here let's try something very special. If I go in here, for example, and yes, so if I go here and see the badge icon in here, so this like this, okay, and we lose the add to cart because we have one bug in our application. This shouldn't be like this. We should use ternary operator. F0, we have nothing in the basket. What I want to do is just empty, otherwise give me the basket. Okay, so this should be it in here. I believe we will have that. Okay, but we have this, the style still affect us. So how we can solve this? We use class binding. We grab this like this and we tell her that like this. Okay, if this condition is true, okay, not equal to 0, which means that we have some data in here. Cool. Now if I add, it should like this to. Okay, so what this mean in here, if this is true, please assign this class for this. Okay, cool. Now let's go ahead and build the basket. So we have nothing in here when I click. So how we can do this? I believe we have the route in here, which is bad boy. This is the bad boy in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and make just that. So in the basket, we come in here and we call it route. And where you want to go? I want to go to basket. Do I make it? Yep, basket. Okay, cool. And basket show IB index. Okay, I forget about this, what the Laravel call it. So let's make some search here, Laravel, and let's make route naming convention. Okay, I believe this. Okay, controller. Okay, I believe in here. Yep. So yes, index. Okay, so follow this convention so as much as you can. So yes, and let's grab this correct it. And so let's see what I believe we will have an error now, which will fix it. Okay, yep, index not exists. It's clear this is the error. Yeah, so let's make the index, which is this bad boy here. Okay, so what we want to do here, grab all the basket for the user, what the user have. Okay, so I will make basket, and the current basket, we can use relation in the user models, has many, but let's do it in this way. So both of them is correct. Feel free to do what you want. Okay, users and ID. Okay, cool. So we have this. So let's see what this bad boy give us. Okay, all right, cool. So we have an array, which is good. Okay, but let's make here get, so we can get the collection simply like this. Okay, cool. So we have an array here with the basket, but the relation tab is empty. Okay, the relation tab is empty. So why is that? So we need to make relation in here, which is product public function product, and this basically will be has one, I believe, one product class. Okay, so this basically will look will grab the product. Okay, but we don't have the convention. Okay, correctly. So what we need to do is the ID in here, which like this. Okay, and what is the local key in the basket. So what is this? So this in the product table. Okay, and so what is the local key in here? Can you guess? Yes, product ID. And so this will bring us the thingy. If you go to basket, yep, the product ID. So our local ID in here is this one, and the foreign key, okay, in this table is the ID. Cool. Now to tell Laravel to grab this for us, we need to use widths. I need more. I need the product in here, okay, as well. So this will grab us the name, I believe, which is good. Let's go ahead here. Yep, the relation, and this is the product basically. Cool. So let's go ahead and now make the HTML. So there is bootstrap template basket. Yep, this one. And I don't know, shopping, maybe this one. Let's see what we have. No, we don't need this one. Yep, this one maybe. Okay, so we just search for something very nice. We can grab this, okay, but let's search for more. I believe I see one is very nice, but I didn't see it anymore. Yeah, okay, this one. I will grab this one because it's very nice. I will grab the container, basically copy, and I will make what we need to retain a view in here, right? So we can a view. So what the view will be basket, I believe, or what we call it, guys, here. So let me basket. Okay, and so what we want to do, I will show you use compact here. Okay, so you can like this, and this equivalent to when you make like this, when make like this. Okay, let's make it here much better. So okay, so this equivalent to this. So we learn, so pick the option that you want. Okay, and yes, so yes, we use this in here only, but you can grab this as well in here as well. But here's, so like, feel free to do what you want. So but I believe if we have logic in the future, we will do some logic in here. Cool. And this, we don't have the basket in here, so this will an error, I believe. Yep. Let's go ahead very quickly to the resource views, and what we have to do is maybe restaurant, and what's called this basket. Okay, and let's clear all of these. We don't need all of these, and let's grab our template now, and let's paste it in here and see what we have. Okay, cool. So we have some style here, but let's make the background white. It's very ugly here. So okay, BGY. So from bootstrap, I believe we will have some. Okay, cool. So we have this now, and yes, I will do, we can populate all of these. How about this? We can remove as well. We need this. Okay, cool. So let's make it, bring life to it by make it dynamic. Okay, so where is the dynamic part here? I have no idea, honestly. So this will be like this. Okay, so I believe, so this is the dynamic part here. So delete all of this. We should be fine, isn't it? Okay, we lost our total in here. I have no idea why. Okay, okay, total. Okay, so from in here, okay, so from here we will start the loop for each as whatever. I will fix this in the moment, just be with me. Or basket as basket. Okay, and here end for autocomplete doesn't work, have no idea why, and we grabbed the row, so we should have one, I believe, or something. Yep, cool. So we have this, so let's make it dynamic now. Let's grab this, see what we have in here. So we have the image and we have the product name. So what is the product name? Will be basically basket, product, remember the relationship, and name. So we should have the product name in here. Yep, chicken mandi, which is correct. And let's do this bad boy, the quantity, prices, whatever. Okay, yes, in stock, you got the idea, guys. You can add as you want. Okay, so in here, where is the quantity? Yep, this is the quantity, and we are in the basket, right? So this will grab one, I believe, or two. Yep, we have two in our database in here, quantity 2. And what about the price? What the price here and the total? Oh, the price is very easy. Okay, the same. Okay, so let's make space here. And where is the price? So this is the price and this is the total. So the price is the price and the total will be basically this one. And we need to just make format like this, so we have 2 decimal, we don't have long number. And here we go, we need to feel free to make the pound sign in here or in here, dollar or pound. I will go for pound. Okay, cool. So we have this, and you can do this as well. So it's very easy to do this stuff now, guys. You update them, you have all the stuff. Okay, so what we're going to do now, yes, I forgot the image, so let's do the image as well. So the image, what the image will be, product, isn't it? Image name, and we'll have nice image in here. Okay, I don't think so. Okay, so because we forget, yes, you already see this, maybe. Yeah, cool. So we have this, and we can do some margin, but this is completely fine in here. Oh, sorry, this is a Photoshop, sorry. So let's grab the source code again. Yes, we can make some margin from the left in here. As we can see, it's very cool now. Okay, cool. So let's go to make the checkout very quickly. So where is the checkout in here? Where is, yeah, this is the checkout. So what I want to do is to change this to maybe like this and see what we have here. Let's not put in anymore. Okay, cool. So let's grab the routes. We don't have this route yet. Okay, so let's make checkout, which is in here. Okay, so okay, checkout, and this will be checkout, and we will need to create checkout, and I need to create checkout controller very quickly. PHP artisan, come on. Okay, make controller and checkout controller. Okay, and okay, and this will grab this for us. So let's reload and let's come back here. Okay, so we have this now, and public function, what we're going to do is to define not constructor, index. Okay, so we are in the checkout page, checkout mate. Yep, okay, cool. So let's see what we have when you click in here. Checkout not defined, which is good. Okay, we go in here and checkout dot index, which is great. And yep, okay, cool. Now checkout, and we are in the checkout. So let's go ahead and create a view very quickly, and I will create checkout and make like this, and this will be checkout. Let's clear all of these, so we don't need these. Let's make checkout and go in here and retain DB. We have done this more than one time, so you should be familiar with this, right? Checkout, and let's see what we have. Okay, checkout, cool. So let's find a nice template for the checkout as well. Okay, so let's go to Google and type bootstrap checkout and go in here. And yes, we have this template, so let's go to the page source and let's try to grab it. Okay, it's very long. We don't need all of these, but okay, so let's grab this in here and let's go ahead to the view and grab this in here. I don't need the footers. Wait. Okay, so we should have something similar, which is great. Okay, cool. So I don't need the bootstrap thingy in here, which is this in here, and I need to be BG white in here, and we should ready to go. Cool. As we can see, you can make some padding in here, okay, for the container too, and you give it card, I believe, to give it corner or something. Yeah, okay, we have padding, very nice, and we have this. Okay, so we don't need all of this information, so I will do some cleaning and come back at them. So we don't need all of this information in here, but let's make more padding in here, 5. Okay, cool. And yeah, so this ready. Just I want to clean more stuff. Okay guys, I have done some cleaning and we will replace this by a stripe. Okay, in the next lesson we're going to do the payment, but first of all let's make something. So this in the right side will be a component, or we can inject this in this template. Let me think about it. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and replace this by stripe form. So first of all I will go to blade here and include stripe library in here. Okay, so this for stripe and this for Google. Okay, because we have just 3 minutes or 4 minutes, and I will make a new component in here which is stripe form. Stripe, okay, form, okay, payment form, okay, whatever. Okay, and we will have this lovely here, clear. We don't need all of these, and yep, method I don't need. We will do it later maybe, but not now. Okay, so return, delete this and delete this and delete this. Okay, cool. And let's see what we have to do in here. So stripe form here, just type stripe form. Okay, and we will build this in the next lesson, but now let's go ahead and here, and we have the payment in here. So expiration, blah blah blah. Okay, what this tell us is continue to check out. We need place, okay, order in here, and let's make the payment in here. So I don't need this, I need just okay one thing here. Okay, and let's okay, stripe form, and let's register the component which is from here. Okay, which is stripe payment form. Yep. And stripe payment form, which is good. And let's now inject this or include it in here. We have payments, so yes, maybe we'll revisit this. So let's make it, okay, I will be raw. Okay, so let's make it like this. Okay, which is good. Okay, let's save this, and I'm not sure if we get it right, but let's try. Okay, cool. So but we missed this in the down. I have no idea why he doesn't show this. Okay, so it's indexing. Okay, so let's see what we have in here done wrong. Okay, so let's make this like this. Okay, because maybe he doesn't like it or something. Okay, cool, so we have it here, but let's do something. I don't know, some browser doesn't like slash, so we have to do something like this anyway. So let's just make this very quickly. I want to do it in raw, okay, in case, because we need to add more stuff. And I will give it a class medium of 212. Okay, and this should do. Okay, cool. So we have type form in here will be, and let's make some last thing. Where is it? Or here or here? Yep. So let's make maybe margin of bottom of 4. Okay, let's make this in here. So this will be margin 4. Okay, or 5. Okay, I just need space between these and these. Okay, cool. So in the next lesson we're going to build how we can integrate the stripe form from the documentation securely, and of course we will do this as well, and we place the order, and we have an order in our DB, and the user, he will make the payment using his card in here, and we will integrate the payment, which is type super important. Yes, in this lesson we cover very nice stuff, and please subscribe and like, and in the next few video when I upload, so you don't miss anything. Thank you guys for watching, and see you soon. Bye.